Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Corner. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this beautiful crochet gajra step by step. So grab your yarn and crochet hook and let's get started. For this project I'm using white and green yarn, 3mm hook and scissor. First make a slip knot. And make chains according to you for strings. After making chains, attach stitch protector, so we can remember the last stitch. Now make chains for base of gajra. Make accordingly of your size. After making chains, skip first chain and make half double crochet into the second chain. Now make one more half double crochet into the second chain. Now repeat the same process entire row. After completing last stitch, slip stitch and chain one. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Insert hook where we slip stitch, and pull up the yarn. And make a knot to secure it. And make 3 chains. And make 3 double crochet. Now pull up the loop of last double crochet and slip stitch into the 3 chain space. This is called popcorn stitch. Now make 3 chains and slip stitch into same stitch. Then slip stitch into the other stitch. And slip stitch into the 3rd stitch also. And make 3 chains into same stitch. And make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. And pull up the loop of last double crochet and slip stitch into the 3 chain space. Now repeat the same process entire row. After completing half side of Gajra, repeat the same process other side also. After completing other side also, slip stitch and popcorn stitch. Now we have to make flowers in empty space. Slip stitch into this part, like this I'm showing in the video. And make popcorn stitch in the same stitch. Now repeat the same process entire row. Cut the yarn and fasten off. If you want make flowers other side also. I'm not making it. Now insert hook where we slip stitch. And make a knot. And make chains according to the strings. After making chains, cut the yarn and fasten off. And that's our Crochet Gajra complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crochet Corner for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!